After your outpatient total knee replacement, you're going straight home from the surgery center, and some people are concerned with negotiating stairs to get into the house, or they need to get from one level of their home to another. And we look at how to best do that with your walker, especially if you don't have any handrails to hold on to. So I'll just come up these stairs, pretend they're at your house. I'm going to pretend my right one is the surgery side, and you're coming up on some stairs. And hopefully you have handrails, which are better, but if you don't have handrails, let's say you have one handrail, you can use the one, and then in the other hand you use your walker turned to the side. And you get that walker up on the front, and you bear weight through the top, not down to the bottom, but through the top of the walker, and you can put all your weight on that. You can actually suspend all your weight. It's strong and sturdy. But you want to take your non-surgery side and lift it to the step, and then come up. And you do that as many steps as you have, non-surgery side, come up. And this leg doesn't have to do anything raising you up the stairs. Then to come down the stairs, we work in reverse. Okay. Coming down, we want to just put this on the next level. Surgery side goes down first, and you're controlling everything with this other leg in your hands. Surgery side down. Surgery side comes down. You're doing all the lifting and lowering with that leg. Then you're off to the races.